Cop succumbs to injuries from St. Mary accident. Teen drowns after falling into St. Anne River. St. Thomas accident victim succumbs to injuries. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 29-year-old Adrian Pendley, the policeman assigned to the Port Maria Traffic Department, who was seriously injured in a police vehicle accident on Saturday, has succumbed to his injuries. The Jamaica Constabulary Force made the disclosure in a release on Monday, stating that the untimely passing of the constable has left the organization in deep mourning. According to reports, Pendley was driving a service motorbike when, upon reaching the Wilderness Main Road, a motorcar stopped and one of its passengers opened the door, hitting the policeman from his motorbike into another vehicle which was traveling in the opposite direction. He was rushed to the Anata Bay Hospital for treatment and was later transported to the University Hospital of the West Indies, where he later succumbed to his injuries. The police are investigating a suspected case of drowning at Eden Beauty River in St. Anne on Monday. Dead is 19-year-old Ramon King of a Kitson Town address in St. Catherine. The St. Anne police stated that about 3 p.m., Mr. King allegedly slipped and fell into the water and drowned. His body was subsequently fished from the river. 21-year-old Michael Stewart, student of Long Level, Brensbury in St. Thomas, succumbed to injuries he sustained in a motor vehicle collision in the parish on Sunday, April 9. Reports from the Yallahs police are that about 7:30 p.m., Stewart, operating his motorcycle, and the driver of a Toyota Probox motorcar were traveling along the Long Level Road in the parish, heading in the same direction. The driver of the Probox signaled a left turn to enter his home, and Stewart reportedly tried to overtake the Probox while it was turning, resulting in a collision. The police were alerted, and Stewart was assisted to the hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The Probox driver was not injured. Investigations continue into the incident.